Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which was Tuesday the 20th of September, and we're going to look at the FTSE first. So we said that we were keeping the bearish tone with initial resistance at 72.92 to 7300, with strong resistance at 73.20 to 73.29. We said if we held below 72.58 to 66, and then we saw a sustained break below 72.19 to 28, then we could open up moves initially towards 71.86 to 94. Further downside momentum below 71.68 to 76 could open up moves towards the next downside target, 71.25 to 35. So lots to talk about today, so let's go and have a look at the FTSE. Okay, so FTSE opened up and we got this really strong impulsive move through the initial resistance at 72.92, 7300. So nothing to do there. And then we got this push up and you can see we've got a beautiful rejection, beautiful reversal pattern off that stronger resistance zone at 73.29. Really nice trade there early on in the morning session. We said if we held below 72.58 to 66, so we got this impulsive push through. We never got the retest back here for any more shorts. We did initially hold the 72.58 to 66 zone on this test here. Wasn't looking for longs there, but as soon as we pushed through, came back up, we held this here with a continuation. So this was a really nice strong impulsive move which suggested a false break. Again, look how this holds the 8 moving average on the way through there. Pull back, continuation, and then the move down. We would only be targeting 72.19 to 72.28 because we were looking for further downside below there to open up moves down. So from here, we're really a little bit neutral, but we want to see acceptance below and then sustained breaks. So we want to see the acceptance below we got here. You can notice how the market was very choppy. It's finally got the full acceptance down here. Pull back. Unfortunately for me, there's no real trade here, no actual pattern. If you had managed to get short in terms of a pattern on the retest there, then that would have been a nice trade as well. Nothing for me on that one, but that then did move down into a 71.86 to 94 zone. We got through there, and you can see we are now looking to try and break below 71.68, 71.76, and that will open up further downside. So really, the best two trades of the day came in the morning session. The analysis was really good today. The zones have worked amazingly well. A couple of beautiful trades on there as well. So a couple of great opportunities on the FTSE. And we'll just see what happens in the overnight session as to whether we can get that further downside, that next leg down. We are starting to become a little bit extended on the higher time frames. So we may just have to wait for a little bit of consolidation. We may see some retracement of this, but we'll see. We'll analyse the movement overnight and in the US session, and we'll update you with the levels in the morning. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go and take a look at the DAX. Okay, so with the DAX, we had these zones as the areas of interest. We said that we had resistance at 12.930 to 12.955, and we also said further acceptance below 12.700 to 720 could suggest further weakness on the DAX, and we had support at 12.595 to 620. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so again, a bit like the FTSE, we got that push up and we've got a really nice reversal pattern here on the DAX from that resistance at 12.930 to 955. No acceptance for any further upside. We then got the push down. We got the move through this 800 area, 795 to 815 area, and we wanted to get acceptance below. Actually, there was a typo on my report. I think I said the 700 to 720 zone that was down here. We actually wanted the acceptance below here, so apologies for that. My the report, there was a typo on that. Once we got the acceptance below here, that was when we was looking to see further weakness and moves down to support 595 to 620. You can see we have come towards that, but apologies, if you'd followed the reports, there wouldn't have been actually any opportunity to do so because the report was wrong. So my apologies for that. I'll make sure that doesn't happen in future. I'll double check the reports, but you can see that once we got the acceptance below here, that did then just come down. We had consolidated around that 700 to 720 zone and then moved on down, and we're very close to hitting that downside target at 595 to 620. We will see what happens overnight on this. The DAX is coming to an area. Just look at the higher time frame to show you what I'm looking at here. we've got this really strong support area here, but further acceptance below here, we'll come to this really key area in the market down here. If we look on the daily chart, you can see this area here, this 400, 390 to 415 area is a really strong area. It's been tested a couple of times here, here, and here. So that will be a really, really key area in the market when the DAX tests that. You can see that it's the lowest point that we have traded since November 2020. So you're talking like a good 2 years that we haven't broken that level to the downside. So it's going to be a really key area in the market when the DAX retests that area. So, and if we start breaking below this 595 to 620 area, then that level becomes the next real key area in the market for the DAX to go to. So we could have some really good trading opportunities coming up from some very, very key areas. So, hope you find this report useful. Apologies for that typo on the DAX report, but hopefully you can see there was a couple of really good opportunities there early on in the session, both on the FTSE and the DAX. Zones worked really well today. I hope you find the reports useful. Please let me know what you think in the comments box on our social media and our YouTube channels. If you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also come join the Keyzone service, please. It's completely free. You get to receive these reports free of charge. Hope you're having a great week, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.